person
I
now.
can't believe it. That's the truck. So my bike's showing up. This was hauled in from where I was, Arizona, from Hull Bikes. So I'm really excited, and it's here. It only took a month. It took a long time. There it is.
Crazy to see it in person
I
now.
can't believe it. Oh man.
First brand new bike.
Yeah, buddy.
There she is.
Ooh.
All right, so we're good then?
We're good.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
I appreciate you driving for me.
Oh yeah.
Oh man.
Tried one of them out. They're fun.
Yeah, well, that's what happened to me. Is like I tried one and then I'm like, I definitely have to.
Only thing I didn't like is there's no noise.
That's what I like about it. Cause I can sneak around.
Well, that part's okay, but it's the people that pull out in front of you.
Yeah, but I
'cause
have
they didn't hear you.
I have a straight piped, another bike that's darn near straight piped, and I still had people pull out in front of me on that.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
all right, we're ready to roll. I'm just gonna pull over there and get my gear.
Okay.
Thanks again.
Yep. Thank you.
Oh, wow. That's weird.
Yeah.
You didn't expect that, did you?
Oh, I didn't.
I told you they was quiet.
That was really quiet.
It's pretty much full.
That's good.
It has 6 miles on it, so it's less than I thought. What time is it? 11:20. Okay, so everything looks good. I think the tires need a little bit of air because they're pretty soft for what they are. Didn't want to knock it over, but yeah, buddy. That's my charger cable thing. Has a wall. I should have a. Okay, there's the plastic key. That's what I was looking for. All right, so I'm gonna throw my gear on and grab a picture, and then we're ready to go. Okay. The first ride on my 2020 Zero SRF. It needs a bath, but it's awesome. Oh no, this is awesome.